Welcome to the plus 2 class chemistry video lesson. I hope you are fine. Today in this video we are going to study about the non-stoichiometric defects from chapter 1 solid state. If as a result of the imperfections in the crystal, the ratio of the cations to the anions become different from that indicated by the ideal chemical formula, the defects are called non-stoichiometric defects. So we can say that the non-stoichiometric defects are the point defects that disturb the stoichiometry of the compound. Non-stoichiometric defects are of two types. One is metal excess defect, second is metal deficiency defect. The solids with metal excess defect contain metal ions in excess to the stoichiometric ratio. Such type of defect may occur due to anion vacancies or due to the presence of extra cations in the interstitial sites. Metal excess defect due to anion vacancies. This type of defect occurs when a negative ion or an anion is missing from its lattice site, leaving a hole which is occupied by an electron, thereby maintaining the electrical neutrality. The sites containing the electrons thus trapped in the anion vacancies are called F centers. F is Farbe, which is a German word used for color. These sites are called F centers because they are responsible for imparting color to the crystals. This defect is similar to Schottky defect and is found in crystals having Schottky defects. For example, when sodium chloride is heated in an atmosphere of sodium vapor, the excess of sodium atoms deposit on the surface of sodium chloride crystals. Chloride ions, that is Cl negative ions, then diffuse to the surface where they combine with sodium atoms which become ionized by losing electrons. These electrons diffuse back into the crystal and occupy the vacant sites created by the chloride ions. It means the electrons occupy the anionic sites. These electrons absorb some amount of energy of white light, giving yellow color to sodium chloride. Similarly, excess of lithium in lithium chloride makes it pink and excess of potassium in potassium chloride makes it violet. Metal excess defect due to extra cations occupying the interstitial sites. In this type of defect, metal excess is caused by an extra cation occupying the interstitial site. To maintain electrical neutrality, an extra electron is also present in some other interstitial site. This defect is found in crystals having Frankel defect. For example, zinc oxide is white solid at room temperature, but when it is heated, it loses oxygen and turns yellow in color. Excess Zn2 positive ions thus formed get trapped into the vacant interstitial sites and the released electrons are trapped in the neighboring interstitial sites. These electrons enhances the electrical conductivity of non-stoichiometric zinc oxide. As crystals with either type of metal excess defects contain some free electrons, hence such materials act as semiconductors. Next is metal deficiency defect. This defect occurs when the metal shows variable valency, that is, it is shown by transition metals. This defect occurs when metal ions or cations are missing from the original lattice site. To maintain the charge neutrality, same metal ions having higher positive charge are added to occupy the vacancies created in the crystal. As the added metal ion has higher positive charge, it will not occupy all the vacant sites. It will occupy some of the vacant sites to balance the overall charge and other sites will be left vacant. For example, it is difficult to prepare ferrous oxide with ideal composition FeO. FeO is mostly found with the composition of Fe0.950 or FeXO, where X is equal to 0.93 to 0.96. In crystal of FeO, if some of the Fe2 positive ions go missing, then this loss is compensated by the addition of Fe3 positive ions. In this way, though the overall charge is balanced, some spaces will be left vacant in the crystal.